Welcome to the Zions Bank Economic Update. I'm Deb Speed, and joining me is Robert Spenlove to discuss international trade. Robert, why don't we start by having you explain to us what's so important about international trade to an economy?
Thanks, Deb. International trade has always been an important component of a diversified economy. It provides essentially what we refer to as basic employment, or the foundation of employment, because what we have is money coming from outside of an economy into the economy. So in this case, money coming from outside of the United States coming directly into the Utah economy. So that provides that basic level of employment and that basic level of financial support that an economy can build on. Also, those jobs tend to pay higher wages than the median wages, so they can provide a greater multiplier and a greater impact on the overall economy.
Well, what are some of those products that we export specifically in our region?
Sure. So the main products that we export in kind of the Intermountain West region is there's a lot of kind of basic manufacturing, basic metals, basic computers and electronics, food, chemicals, some of those building blocks of other parts of the economy. And also because we have a lot of ties to the agriculture community, especially in the Idaho area, there's a lot of food products and agriculture products that are exported to other countries.
And where are we sending these products?
Our main products, our main trading partners. In Asia, we have trading partners with China, with South Korea, Taiwan, Singapore. We also have really close trading ties with Canada and with Mexico.
So what are some of the upcoming opportunities and risks that you see for the international export industry?
To look at our opportunities and risks, I also want to take a real quick snapshot or a look into what we've seen over the past little while. For instance, in Utah, exports over the last decade have grown from about $5 billion 10 years ago to about $12 billion today. So more than doubling of our exports in the last decade. In Idaho, exports have grown from about $3 billion a decade ago to about $5 billion today. So we've seen very good growth in both states in the export industries. However, they are down a little bit from what they were at their peaks, and we're seeing some diversification in those markets. In Idaho, it's because of computers and electronics, and in Utah because of gold. So looking forward, some of our risks are because we have strong ties to the Asian markets, and there is some weakness in the Chinese market specifically, that gives us exposure to some of that downside risk. However, with a more diversified export industry, we can withstand some of those impacts. Also, with a Fed tightening market of increasing interest rates, that could cause the dollar to increase its value relative to other currencies, which is also another potential risk. However, again, with a more diversified export industry, with increases in ag exports, for instance, gold exports and other natural resources, we should be well positioned to withstand some of those downward pressures.
Great. Well, thank you for helping us understand how international trade can drive an economy.
Sure.
Thank you for joining us for this economic update. For more economic data and analysis, please visit zionsbank.com/economy.